So, magkakabit ay nails. Nails or tape. Okay naman ako ng pangbigat na to. For kids. Kukunin ko yung isa kong ha?
Ba? May jowa siya.
Ay, malay ka pa. Ito yung fragrance ko. Sabit nga. Yung lang ano ito yung fragrance. 16.
The husband asks his wife if everything is okay. The atmosphere becomes tense, and the woman thanks him for his help.
Tapos may boko dyan bumutan. Kasha.
Brad asks his wife if everything is okay. She seems strange. She responds that everything is fine. Brad asks the driver to take them home. He complies. Carla asks her husband how his workday was. He replies that it was normal. He says he just worked and worked. She isn't satisfied with the answer and wants him to give more details about his day at work. He taught the employees new things, and after all, he needs to train them well to keep her at home, considering the costs are high. Carla realizes her husband is a bit stressed.
Try ko lang sa kung matibay yung
He says yes.
lihat ko.
Asks